Allison, can you explain what internet is?
I still love technology.
Pretty amazing.
Truly wonderful the mind of a child is.
Hey guys, Mr. Ogden here. Today I'm going to show you some of the last steps for our stop motion animation project using Google Slides. So once you make your slides, you first want to make sure you have all the requirements, 250 slides or more. Make sure you have a background with a different color or a photo. It cannot be blank. And you must animate at least 3 different objects. That basically means make them move. Alright, so we've already talked about that and I've already showed you how to do that in class. So now I'm going to show you these last 2 steps. Must change the frame rate from equals 3000 to equals 100. I'll talk about that soon. And then I'll show you how to turn in the publish link to the assignment on Google Classroom. So I'm going to go ahead and show you my slides. Let's assume all of the slides are already done. I have 250 or more and I've met the requirements. I've animated different objects. I've changed the background. So I can just simply look at my stop motion animation by pressing the down arrow, which is what I'm doing now. But I don't want to have to do that the whole time, so I'm going to show you how to make your slides play automatically and also to have them play a little bit quicker. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go up here and go to File and Publish to the Web. So right now it shows that the auto advance slides, meaning when you press play on your presentation, every 3 slides it would move to the next slide every 3 seconds, which is an eternity when we're doing stop motion animation. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just leave it at 3 seconds, and I'm going to show you how to change it. So go ahead and leave it at 3 seconds and then click Publish. Publish, click OK. And so now what you have here is a long link. And all you want to do is just click once in that box and do Control-C. Mine says Command-C because it's a Mac computer, but hold down CTRL on your computer in the bottom left-hand corner, hold down Control and press C to copy it. Go up to the top of Google Chrome and open up a new tab. Click in the box up top and hold down Control and press V as in Victor and hit Return or Enter. So if you notice, when I press play, every 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3, it moves. 1, 2, 3, it moves. 1, 2, 3, it moves. Okay, way too slow. We don't want that. So we're going to change that from 3 seconds to 1/10 of a second. And so what you do is you come up to the top bar up here and you just click once. Now the entire long link is highlighted. Now you're going to hit the arrow key on your keyboard to the right. Okay, hit the arrow key to the right so my cursor goes to the very end. Okay, and the key that we need to look at is this right here where it says equals 3000. So that what this is saying is that every 3 seconds these slides change. We want to change that to say equals 100. So what we're going to do is hit delete and just backspace, backspace, backspace all the way until that 3000 is gone. Okay, there's the 3000 now. So we're going to change it from equals 3000 to equals 100. So delete the 3000, leave the equal sign, put 100 and hit enter or return. And there we go. Now if we come down here, make sure you're on slide 1. Now if we hit the play button, every 1/10 of a second, the slides will change and they'll go to your next slide, causing the animation to happen. So let's take a look. And it's happened automatically. I'm not touching anything. Now my animation occurs automatically, which is the way it should be. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and leave it right there. Now, in order to do the last step, which is turn publish link into Google Classroom, what we're going to do is take this link up top that we just changed to equals 100. Remember, if you click on it once, go to the end of it to the right, you can see it's equals 100 now. Click once in the box up top. There we go. Click once, hold down Control and press C. Now we're going to turn this link in right here to the actual assignment where it says your work on Google Classroom. So hit Add Link, because it's a link on the internet. Link. And now you're going to click in the box, hold down Control and press V as in Victor once and click Add Link. And that's the one I'm going to be looking at to grade your assignment. So now when I go to click on your link, it opens up automatically and I can go to the very first slide and then press play, and I'll see your stop motion animation happen. All right, that's it. Let me know if you have any questions.